Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. Follow on Google News. XEmpire airdrop listing date and TGE announced. Don't miss out. The wait is over, and excitement is building among the XEmpire community. The official XEmpire airdrop listing date has been confirmed for October 24, 2024. Mark your calendars, set reminders, and get ready to dive into the world of XEmpire, as the long-awaited airdrop of $X tokens is just around the corner. With over 50 million users already on board, this milestone reflects the project's rapid growth and the dedication of its users. As XEmpire gears up for its airdrop and listing date, it's time to take a closer look at what the launch holds for the community and the XEmpire price prediction. XEmpire airdrop price prediction. The XEmpire airdrop has generated significant buzz, and everyone is curious about the potential $X token price. Analysts predict 2 possible scenarios for the token's value post-launch. The low estimate suggests that the XEmpire token price could settle at $0.002 per X token. This estimate assumes moderate demand and participation following the launch. However, if user engagement and demand exceed expectations, the XEmpire listing price could soar to between 2 cents and 3 cents, reflecting stronger market interest and active in-game utility. Why October 24th is important for XEmpire. The combination of the airdrop and TGE on October 24th signals a critical point in XEmpire's journey. This event will set the stage for the project's tokens to enter the broader cryptocurrency market, possibly attracting significant attention due to its promising utility and community-driven features. With the token distribution event and eventual listing on major exchanges, October 24th is poised to be a significant moment in XEmpire's expansion and market adoption. Users who participate in the airdrop and the chill phase will likely benefit from the growth potential of the XEmpire ecosystem, as the project prepares to make its mark in the blockchain industry.